The building is a sculpture in the city again. I mean, this was created by the brand. Armani doesn't really give license to everybody in the world. It only gives to certain people in certain cities. What we did was, you have the $1 million view within, steps of getting in. So that's a huge competition to whatever you do inside. The reason why we did the ceiling system is because of that reason. We need something that will keep people interested within the walls of the apartment and also establish a relationship with them as they live through the apartment. I wouldn't use any other system for the ceilings except VELUM, because not only because of their originality, but also the way they are able to deliver.